All right, so I'm trying to figure out the best way to take a nice video of the of my whole studio. So this part right here is the first thing you see when you come in. So there's the front door right there. Here's what I call the waiting room or the living room or something like that. Just to have somewhere comfortable to sit when I'm not at my desk, or for anyone else who comes over here. And then here we have the library, which is some technical books, some cool related art books. This is this giant cabinet I just got for putting away my projects when I'm not working on them. This is a really nice 3D printer that I have, and then underneath it is a cabinet full of 3D printing stuff and some other material stuff. And then here's 3D printed capybaras. And here is perhaps the crown jewel of this whole space, which is a big 2x4 foot CNC router for cutting wood and metal and stuff. This is not turned on right now, but this is a infinity mirror clock that I'm working on. Maybe I'll send you a video or a photo of how that thing actually looks when it turns on. It's really cool. And then here it is a weird triangular corner right here, which I recognize as weird, but I don't know, it made it work. And then here's a ton of electronics storage as organized as I could make it. And then here's my actual desk where I work, and some various projects that I'm working on or have worked on. This thing right here, this is some huge project that I'll maybe explain some other time. And then this is the zany modern clock that I designed and 3D printed. And yeah, that's it. It's about, I think it's 20 by 9 feet, excluding the weird triangular corner thing. So yeah, so that's it. That's my studio, and that's what I do here. I work on my fun electronics and fabrication projects.